organization wizard in Visio, we will create a bigger organization chart with the help of data that is arranged in Excel file. So I am going to open Excel file where our data is arranged. As you can see, there is organization, uh, people are working in which organization. I think the whole organization is simply one organization. And there is employee ID. Each employee had a unique ID, and each employee is reporting to someone in the organization, and uh, we name that reporting person with manager ID. So I'm going to mention few important things in Excel file. There is a position, for example, Said Ganji is COO and he's reporting to this person. So you can see there is a lot of people in this Excel files up to 283 or 284. So now I am going to close this Excel file and I am going to search Microsoft Visio. As you can see, there is organization chart wizard. I am going to select this one. There are some overview of organization, how organization chart look like in Visio. So I am going to select organization chart widget and you can select any units. I am going to select US units and going to create. So there is a dialog box that is asking a few questions. I want to create my own chart from information that already stored in file or database, information that I enter using the wizard. No, I am going to select the first option because our data is restored in the database. That database is called Microsoft Visio. Sorry, that database is called Microsoft Excel. And with the help of Excel file, we are going to create organization chart in Visio. So the next step is Microsoft Exchange Survey directory as our information is stored in Excel file. That is why we are going to select a text or plus or Excel file. Then next. So now we have to browse the file where our file exists. I'm going to select our file. So uh, so choose the column field in your data field that contains the information that define the organization. So when basically it is asking what kind of information that you want to show in your shapes in the database. So our employee name is not mentioned in Excel file. That is mentioned with simply employee, and each employee is reporting to the project line manager. For example, I am going to show you. So the we name it employee. Each employee is reporting to project line manager. As you can see this column. So I'm going to close this one. Next. So I'm going to display only employee name and position and choose the column field from your data to want to the org chart shapes. These are only two metrics, that is uh, the name of each employee on each shape and the role will be displayed in the organization chart. Simply next. So if you want to select picture, then you have to mention the location of your pictures from here. So right now I'm going to simply create organization chart without the images. Then next, your organization data may contain too many employees. To fit on one page for your drawing, you can simply how much of your organization to display on each page you want to. So I want to specify a whole organized chart on this single page. Then next, as you can see, there is a Darpesh Bhatti and there are almost 283 employee on the single page organization chart. Then going to finish. As you can see, it is processing our organization chart in Microsoft Visio. So as you can see, your organization chart is designed with the help of. So you can see there are a lot of employee in our organization chart. So its whole organization chart is appearing in a single line. So don't worry, you can change the layout of your organization chart. So go to the home tab and in the layout button in the layout group you can see there is re-layout pages. There are different types of layout of your organization chart. So I am going to select this one. So you will see a quick change in the organization chart. So I am a little bit disturbed with these line breaks. I am going to remove these page breaks. So as you can see, this person is our CEO and then our COO, and under that each employee are displayed in their field. In this way, you can create your bigger organization chart as well as smaller organization chart in Microsoft Visio with the help of data stored in Excel file. Thanks for watching.